Today I'm going to show you how to put together and use the Privacy Plus kit that you've received. Obviously, you should have the same parts in the case, and it's pretty simple. What I do is I lay the door flat. This is the back side of the door, and take the pilaster portion and set it here. The hinge, there's a top and a bottom to the hinge. This little nut that's screwed on is the bottom. So that's an easy way to remember that it's the bottom. So what I do is when it's laying flat, I just insert the hinge and drop it down. And then the same thing on the door side and drop it down. So that's pretty simple. Each kit comes with a little Allen wrench. You can see that. And that's in case you want to unscrew the latch assembly so that you could show how it is installed in the product. But that's really up to you. The way I do these presentations is I start out by using our video, our introduction video that's on our website. And then the audience gets a good idea of what the product looks like and how it works, and pictures in full scale. So then you come down to this, and this really talks about the construction and the function of the product. So typically, after that video, I start out by opening up the hinge and explaining that there's no fasteners, and it looks like it's permanently embedded in the material, so it's tamper resistant. No one's going to mess with this. But it happens to be an emergency release door. So in the event that someone faints or has a heart attack in the stall and they're wedged between the door and the toilet, the door can just be lifted off with no tools in an emergency situation. That's usually pretty dramatic when they see that. That really gets their interest. Now, to show how the latch assembly works, we just move this over here, and you could see how that works. What we do is stand this up and show how that function works. We did it this way with the pilaster so that we could conserve space and weight. You don't want to be carrying around extra pilasters, so this one is interchangeable. This piece is the example of a side panel, our section side panel, and the sample is hard seamed together so it doesn't come apart. But typically in the installation process, the spline and the tongue and groove are just siliconed in place. So this shows the side panel, the wall bracket that it's on, and the cover plates that go on both sides, all four sides of the panel to cover up the hardware. It's that simple. If you have other questions and we haven't talked, please give me a call or send me an email and we could kind of walk through it. But that's the way the kit works. Hope this helps. Thank you.